Hi Rosalind.
Hi Joanna.
What an absolutely stunning place. I've never actually been to this part of the Languedoc-Roussillon or the Occitanie, but this chateau is just wonderful. So the courtyard,
Yes.
it's an amazing place. What can you tell me about it?
It's quite unique, really.
Yeah.
You come up, it's an old medieval town, and you come up the hill and then suddenly you find yourself in this amazing chateau with a fantastic view.
This is such a beautiful pool.
Isn't it? It's such an atypical shape. As you can see, it's been designed to fit into this courtyard. It was just retiled this summer, actually.
Yeah, in fact, I heard that they had to dynamite the space because it's built on solid rock here as well, isn't it?
That's right.
So it's never going to move, which is fantastic. But I really like the shape and the fact you can do lengths, because I
Yes.
like swimming in a pool.
Yes.
And that's beautiful because it's really lovely and long. And the colour of the new tiling is beautiful. It really reflects the light through
Yes,
the
it
water.
sort of shimmers, doesn't it?
Yeah, and the views, I mean, the views, like you've got the mountains behind you, you've got this
Yes.
fabulous courtyard.
Yes, the views all around the chateau are quite spectacular. We've got the natural park of the Haut-Languedoc all around here.
Wow.
And then inside here we have the beautiful courtyard, as you can see.
And it's so private.
It's so
private.
We've got the, this is the garage over here,
Yeah.
but we've got lots of space for sunbathing and little corners for dining.
Yes.
And the shady areas. We could go and have a look.
Yeah, let's go and have a look.
So here we have this lovely shaded area, which I promise you is really very welcome.
I can imagine, because the temperatures you get here as well, being in the south of France.
Yes.
This is lovely and cool. You can automatically feel the temperature drop from
Exactly.
coming out from the
Yes.
sunshine. It's lovely and cool in here. How old is the chateau?
The chateau, different parts of it date from different times. The bulk of it dates from the 18th century.
Right.
But then parts of it date right back to the 11th century.
Wow,
Some bits of it are really old. But the current owners have done a fantastic job in renovating it.
So they've completely renovated the whole place.
They have, yes. They put the beautiful pool in,
Yeah.
and they renovated the bulk of the chateau in 2016.
Right, okay.
And they've done it to such a high quality. It's been so beautifully and meticulously done. You'll see as we wander around,
Yeah.
each room has retained its character,
Yeah.
but has come up to modern contemporary standards in terms of all the facilities available as
Yeah.
well.
That's fantastic. So while we're still in the courtyard, I noticed there's sort of a big entertaining
Yes.
converted barn. Should we have a quick look
Yes.
at that before we head to the chateau?
Certainly.
So pretty. It's just so original, the shapes and everything, aren't they? It's not like a standard square barn. It's a really
No.
unusual shape.
It's beautiful,
Wow, this is stunning.
isn't it? Beautiful.
Oh, what an amazing renovation as well. I love the arch walls.
Yeah.
And they've kept all the features, the stone walls, the beams.
Yes, the travertine floor is beautiful.
Again, yeah, and it's completely redone. So, I mean, you could use this space for anything.
Yes, at the moment they currently run the chateau as a bespoke bed and breakfast.
Lovely, yeah.
And this room is perfect for breakfast, dinner, or any events that the guests want to hold as well. Imagine you could do a wedding here or a birthday.
Let's have a look at the kitchen.
Yes, beautiful kitchen as well,
Love this arch.
with fully fitted kitchen, all the
Marble.
mod cons and the beautiful granite worktops.
Yeah, it's gorgeous.
Isn't it lovely? And then you get a beautiful view back down to with the beams, and there's also a pellet burner stove there
For the winter.
for the winter, which heats the whole space beautifully. It's
I
very
noticed they have
economical.
radiators as well, so they've probably got both central
They've got
heating
central
and,
heating as well.
and pellet burners.
We've got toilets here, so it's perfect as a small venue.
Perfect for that, yeah,
Yeah.
for a small wedding or a dinner
Yes.
party or a birthday.
Spill out into the courtyard.
Yes, fabulous. Can we go and have a look at the chateau now itself?
Certainly. Okay, so obviously the courtyard is all enclosed, but to get out we just have to press this button. And if you're coming in from the other side or your guests are there, there's a code.
Yeah, perfect.
So it's all very
Perfect,
secure.
yeah. So beautiful, all of the settings with the stairs up to the little chapel there.
The owner of the chateau is the guardian of the chapel.
Really?
Yes.
Oh wow, that's really interesting.
Let's go down and have a look at go into the chateau. As you can see here, Joanna, we have a tunnel which is called Rue du Château, and this goes
how
down.
lovely to have a little
Yes.
secret tunnel. Does that go down to the parking area?
Yes, it does.
Oh, wow.
With various cellars going off it on the way.
Oh, okay, that's great. And they're all part of the chateau as well?
All part of the chateau.
Lovely. Let's
go
get
inside.
inside.
So we come immediately into this incredible triple height entrance hall.
Wow, this is really stunning, isn't it? I love the stone and the stone staircase and the cast iron balustrade. It's triple height going all the way up.
Yes, full of character. And off this central hallway, we have some of the cellars go down this way. This is the practical part of the property where we have the cellars which they use as laundry rooms, that sort of thing.
Yeah.
But why don't we head off first of all into the first part of the accommodation, which is the private apartment.
Yes, definitely. Wow.
Isn't it beautiful?
Oh my God. The first thing you notice, the view.
I know, spectacular.
It's like a painting.
It pulls you through, doesn't it?
I know. I think we should, I mean, this room is absolutely stunning as well.
Yes, we've obviously got this incredible fireplace. The whole chateau has been decorated in this style, as you can see. They've maintained the character throughout, but it's been done, you can imagine it in an interiors magazine.
It's totally that, isn't it? Because it's done really classical and
Yes.
and sort of minimalist, but with loads of comfort of sort of
Yes.
a high-end living. It's really
Yes.
pretty.
So this leads through into the kitchen and obviously this unmissable view.
So fabulous, and I love the original Tomet flooring. That's
Yes.
really, I love it when all the original features get kept. And I'm presuming that's the bedroom off
Yes.
and bathroom.
In
off
fact,
to the
this
side.
is a separate gîte. They rent it out as a separate gîte with one bedroom and the private terrace.
So this could be used as an owner's apartment, or
Could
it could
be.
be just rented out as an apartment.
as a separate gîte.
Yeah.
There is, in fact, the possibility of also purchasing, there's a separate house next door, a three-bedroomed house, which has been done up in exactly the same beautiful
Right.
style and to the same standard. That is available separate from the chateau,
Yeah.
but could be used as your private accommodation if you want to
Yeah.
use all of this for renting out.
And that's what the current owners are doing currently. They're living
That's right.
in the house next door.
That's right.
Can we go and have a look at the view?
Yeah, I think we should.
Oh wow, this is just absolutely gorgeous. It's like a postcard,
Isn't
picture
it?
postcard.
Yes, it's fantastic panoramic view. As you can see, the red stone over there,
Yeah.
that's indigenous to this region. And perhaps a little bit later, I can take you to show you a little bit more of the surroundings, including Lake Salagu.
Right.
And all around the lake, you have this red rock.
That's right. I've actually read something on that, and it's like you could be in the Wild West because
Yes.
you've got the red rock, and then you've got the blue-green lake.
That's right. It's really
And
beautiful.
750 hectares of lake.
Yes, all man-made.
It's amazing.
It is
Can't
quite
wait to see that.
spectacular. It does feel like we're in the middle of the countryside, but in fact we're only 10 minutes from the autoroute, which takes us to Montpellier in about 35 minutes.
Oh wow.
Béziers about the same.
Right.
And then going north you go up towards Clermont-Ferrand, which is the main route down from the UK.
Yes.
So it's really very accessible.
Yeah. So and also both airports.
Both airports, Béziers and Montpellier, and we're only about an hour and a half from Carcassonne Airport as well.
Really?
So it's really very well served here. Let's
Okay,
carry
let's-
on and I'll show you the bedrooms.
Perfect.
Okay, the bedrooms are on 3 different levels. So we'll start off with this one here. This one is a bedroom with an ensuite bathroom. So come and take a look at this one.
Again, a fabulous view.
From every single bedroom you get this uninterrupted view. Nobody overlooks the chateau at all. It's
Yeah.
very private.
Really is. And this has got some really lovely original fireplaces in as well, this room.
All
which-
the rooms they've retained the original features throughout with the beams and the fireplaces, the original tiled flooring, but then they've added in the modern features like the air conditioning, the double glazing,
Yeah.
the central heating.
And it's been styled beautifully. I mean, it literally is like something out of a French magazine, isn't it? That you would have on French interiors.
Yes, and every bathroom is has been beautifully done. It's all very sort of clean, a clean style, almost minimalist, but beautiful.
It's really nice. I love the roll top up, and I love the way that they're using pieces of furniture for the sinks. That's the second one I've seen. I really like that, and it's simple but elegant and beautiful, isn't it?
Okay, so come and take a look at this one. This one is a full suite with a living room as well. Look at the floor.
Fabulous. And the door, I mean, the door is like really original.
Yes.
That's been there for probably a couple of 100 years.
This one obviously has access directly onto the courtyard garden as well, which is lovely.
So right next door to that big breakfast and dining and everything.
So you can go straight out to there.
That's fabulous. And this fireplace, can you imagine that at Christmas? That'd be just so gorgeous.
And this would be like a private sitting room as well. If it was a bed and
so this is like a
breakfast.
Suite. They've used this as a suite.
There are three, altogether there are 6 bedroom accommodation.
Yeah.
All of them have ensuite bathrooms.
Right.
And 3 of them also have a living room, so they're a full suite.
Yes, beautiful.
Come and take a look at the bedroom. There is also the possibility of keeping quite a lot of the furniture. So if you were taking it over as a business, you've really got a good head start. You could almost just keep going.
And of course, there's the opportunity that if you didn't want to run this as a chambre d'hôte, these rooms are really big and spacious. You could have libraries, you could have dining areas, you know, you could really live in it as one big home, or do exactly what the owners are doing and running it as a lovely business.
Here we go. Come and take a look. So beautiful.
Oh, this is stunning.
Isn't it beautiful with the vaulted ceiling?
This is a very typical shape for 11th century churches. We have one near our head office in the Rochefoucauld on a much grander scale, but it's exactly the same in the kind of shape that they made the roofs in those days.
Yes.
It's really, really beautiful. So when you think it's 800 years old?
Yes, amazing.
Fantastic. And I love the fact that whoever owns the chateau is the guardian for the chapel.
That's it.
And they hold the key.
Yes. So it's such a lovely space just to come and have a quiet moment if you want to.
Exactly. So it's really hot outside and you just want to come and be by yourself and get away. You can come and sit in this beautiful chapel.
Yes. It's very unique to own a property where you have a chapel at your disposal.
Exactly. Very lovely. So what a lovely place to end this magnificent tour. I could quite easily get in there now because it's quite warm, but I think we're heading off to the lake. But thank you so much. I mean, this property really is unique,
Yes.
totally private. I've absolutely loved it.
Yes.
So people can get in contact with you?
Yes, yes, they can get all my details off the website. Obviously, we're in such an amazing place here. It's a unique little spot in the Hérault.
Yes.
And such an amazing property and so unique in its own way. It offers so much accommodation.
Yeah.
You've got all this beautiful courtyard, the chateau with its 6 bedrooms and its private apartment as well. You've got the Grange, which has been fully renovated to make a beautiful events venue or seminar room. We've got the garage, we've got the chapel, which we're obviously guardians of. We've got the private parking, we've got woodland. We've got a separate house next door, which is also possible to purchase alongside the chateau, which could be private accommodation. There's really so much here and such an amazing setting.
And I think the great thing for all of our YouTube viewers, all of the details you can find below. You can subscribe to our channel, and we hope you do. Leave your comments, let us know what you think about this wonderful property. You can get in contact with Rosalind to come and view it. And I must say, it really is unique. It's completely different to anything that I've seen. It's such great value for something that has been renovated to the highest standard. There is literally nothing to do.
Yes, and the possibility of a great business as well.
Yeah.
Or a wonderful family home.
It is, it certainly is. So we hope you enjoyed the tour from Rosalind and I. We hope to see you next time.